Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming identity. Check the model number and serial on the case and in Settings because genuine units match Apple's database. Next, inspect the box for printed serial, barcode, and factory seals, since counterfeit packaging often misses fine print. Once done, open the case near your iPhone. Make sure the authentic pairing animation and device name show up. This paired animation proves the hardware matches Apple provisioning and rules out many fakes. You now inspect hardware closely to catch subtle differences. Check the stems for tight seams and consistent matte finish. Fake units often have rough edges or excess glue. Then verify the speaker mesh, microphone ports, and force sensors. Originals align perfectly and feel crisp to press. Also examine the case hinge, LED placement, and magnetic snap. Genuine hinges move smoothly and the lid sits flush. Finally, test weight and magnet strength, because counterfeit finish by confirming software-level authenticity. Check firmware version in Settings and watch the battery widget populate for both buds and the case, since genuine devices report correctly. Then test functions, noise cancellation, transparency, spatial audio behavior, call mic quality, and make sure Find My can locate the case or earbuds. These services are proof of Apple integration. If anything misreports or fails, reset the AirPods, update your iPhone, repair once more, and contact Apple or the seller if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.